In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple monitors and link charts in TradingView. If you work with more than one screen, this setup can make your analysis faster and clearer by letting you see multiple views at once. Before we start, make sure your second monitor is connected and recognized by your computer and that you're signed in to your TradingView account so your watch list and settings carry over between windows. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. You'll land on the main charting interface. On the right side of the screen, look for the watch list panel. This is where your symbols live. Find the symbol you want to analyze and click it. Your main chart will load with that instrument, and you can already start adjusting timeframes, indicators, and drawing tools if you like. Next, switch to the full featured chart so you get the complete tool set and more screen real estate. Look for the full chart option and open it. This view gives you all the power of TradingView's charting, including playback tools, multiple timeframes, and a wider workspace, which is ideal when you're about to use multiple monitors. Now create a brand new browser window. Press Ctrl+N on your keyboard to open a new window. On a Mac, the shortcut is Command+N. This should be a separate window, not just a new tab, which is important because you'll be moving it to your other screen. In that new window, open tradingview.com again. Because you're already signed in, your account data, like your watch list and chart layouts, should be available here as well. You can choose a different symbol in this window or switch to a different time frame of the same symbol so you can compare, for example, a higher time frame trend on one screen and a lower time frame entry setup on the other. Drag this new window to your second monitor and resize it so it fills the display the way you like. Take a moment to adjust each window's chart settings to match your workflow. Some traders prefer clean charts with side panels hidden to maximize space, while others keep the watch list visible on both screens for quick switching. If text or candles feel too small, use your browser's zoom or your system display scaling to make things easier on the eyes. With multiple windows open, you can work side by side seamlessly. TradingView also includes chart linking features that let you synchronize elements like the active symbol across charts, which can streamline multi-time frame analysis. When you're ready, explore the link controls on the chart toolbar to keep views in sync while maintaining your preferred layouts.